Hello traders, John Hayden here with a daily revision. Let us begin. Before we start, I suggest you go over the general risk warning by stopping the video. It's very important. Upcoming events. All events are taking place in GMT hours. I recommend you write the events down in your calendar so you would be able to trade and notice them before and after the announcement. Things are starting to get more interesting. The dollar is facing strong and important announcements that will affect its direction at least for the short term. The building permits is the first in the series of events which will cause higher volatility for the currency. However, what I really focus on is the Fed's Chair Yellen speaks, which may give us hints on a possible rate hike. For those who don't know, most traders already set in their minds the idea we won't see higher interest rates for 2015, but who knows what's going on in Yellen's head. Any slight change of possible rate hike will cause the market to drop. API weekly crude, I will talk about it in a sec, write it down in your calendars. US market, Wall Street finished higher yesterday with a very small movement. The S&P 500 went higher by 0.03% and the Dow Jones by 0.08%, as both bearish and bullish feelings were underlined during the trading session, mainly because there are three things that affect our market now. The first one is China. Any results or reports from their economy can change the direction at least for the day. Second is the earning reports. Big companies have big influence. We are still in early stage of the reports, however these results reflect the growth and health of the US economy. And the third is the Fed's decision on interest rate. Although the market climbed higher due to traders feeling we should not see higher interest rate this year, this question is still above investors' head. As you can see, the market is climbing but with some fear. Below, this is the S&P 500 daily chart. We are starting to sit on a support area. This is the 100 moving average, which at first was a resistance area, but now it seems that we might break this area up, and if we will break this line, we will see higher highs for the US market or for the big indices. Earning reports, we are still in the middle of the third quarter report session. Here I will keep you updated with important events. These reports will either help the market to reach higher highs or it will cause hard time for traders to set a direction. It is still very early to say, but we keep positive. A bit riskier now to take long trades on stocks, so I recommend shorter ones. Today, Yahoo will announce after trading hours, and therefore focus on short-term trades after the announcement itself. If you want to see who is reporting every day, you can write in Google earning report calendar. It will bring up detailed charts with upcoming reports. Commodities, gold. Remember yesterday I told you the gold is heading toward the support area. Well, it reached and established its position. The gold is now ready, according to the technical analysis, for another movement upward. In my opinion, we should see higher prices today and tomorrow minimum. Crude oil still moving in its place, not showing a lot. However, today, as I said before, the API weekly crude oil will take place. This announcement always affects the price of oil for the short term. And sometimes if the results are very good or bad, it can cause a change in direction. Look for the report today. In my opinion, we are going higher. As you can see in both graphs, this is in the left, it's the crude oil's graph. We are sitting down on the trend line, and with a positive announcement from the API weekly crude oil, we should see higher highs, and who knows, maybe we will break this moving average line here and reach higher highs. Gold, beautifully, we're sitting on a support area with the green candle, which shows the buyers entered exactly in the position here, and we should see the prices of gold reaching highers for today, and as I said, in my opinion, I think for tomorrow as well. That's it for today. Hope it was useful for you. Contact me on binaryoptionsreviews@gmail.com. I really want to hear about your opinion, things that you feel we can add to our revision, and whatever goes on your mind that you need help with. That's it. I'll see you again tomorrow.